ever pondered the intricacies of liquid medication formulation and manufacturing? It's a fascinating blend of science and precision, where even the smallest component plays a critical role. Imagine a symphony orchestra where each musician plays a unique part, but together, they create a harmonious melody. Similarly, in the world of pharmaceuticals, the formulation and manufacturing of liquid dosage forms is a meticulous process, where each ingredient, or let's call them players, has a specific role. The principal player in this symphony is the drug, the active pharmaceutical ingredient that treats or prevents the disease. However, the drug doesn't perform alone. It's accompanied by several other players known as excipients. Excipients include sweetening agents, flavoring agents, coloring agents, viscosity controls, preservatives, and antioxidants. Sweetening agents like saccharin or aspartame mask the bitter taste of the drug, making it more palatable. Flavoring agents add a pleasing taste, while coloring agents give a visually appealing hue. Viscosity control agents, on the other hand, adjust the thickness of the liquid, ensuring the medication pours easily but isn't too thin. Preservatives and antioxidants are the guardians of the formulation, protecting it from microbial growth and oxidation, thereby maintaining the potency and stability of the drug over time. Now let's delve into the manufacturing process of the most common liquid dosage form, the syrup or oral solution. First, the drug and excipients are accurately weighed in line with the formulation. The drug is then dissolved in a suitable solvent, typically purified water. Next, the sweetening agents, flavoring agents, and coloring agents are added and mixed until they are uniformly distributed. The viscosity of the solution is then adjusted using viscosity control agents, followed by the addition of preservatives and antioxidants. The solution is then filtered to remove any undissolved particles, ensuring a clear, appealing liquid. Finally, the solution is filled into suitable containers, sealed, labeled, and packaged, ready to be shipped to pharmacies. In summary, the formulation and manufacturing of liquid dosage forms is a multi-step process involving the careful selection and accurate combination of various components. The drug and excipients are carefully chosen and mixed to create a medication that is effective, palatable, stable, and easy to use. This process, though complex, ensures that each dose of medication you take is not just a gulp of liquid, but a symphony of science, precision, and care, designed to restore and maintain your health. So, the next time you take a spoonful of cough syrup or a dose of liquid medication, remember the orchestra of ingredients and processes that play in harmony to bring you relief and healing.